Hey beautiful, I've been doing this simple, quick and easy 5-minute makeup look for a few months now since lockdown, and I thought I'd share with you how easy this routine is. Also, stay tuned by the end of this video for a giveaway. Okay, so to be honest, my skin's acting a little bit crazy because of balancing work and motherhood. I love my kids, and I know all of you moms out there can relate that there's a feeling of fulfillment when they take a nap and you could finally do some self-care. In my case, to simply do my skincare, apply makeup is a therapy. Before we start, I just want to remind everyone to clean your face before we apply anything, as it's so important to have a clean canvas, especially nowadays. I used my favorite cleanser as of the moment, as it's very gentle to my skin while removing excess sebum and dirt on my face. It is a pure glycerin based foam cleanser that also moisturizes as it cleans. Again, I love this when I had sensitive skin during my pregnancy. Till now, I'm using it because I trust the fact that it's dermatologist recommended, and my skin seems to react perfectly well to it, so that made me decide to continue using the brand and explore more products from them, like the Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. After cleansing my face, I'm now going to apply my favorite exfoliating toner, and this is just going to help remove dead skin cells as I go. And then I go ahead and apply another skincare favorite, which is the Neutrogena Hydroboost Lotion, which helps to add moisture to my face. I'll be having an in-depth skincare video where I explain this. In the meantime, we're just going to go straight to the makeup because, to BH, the goal here is to do all of this within 5 minutes. For my brows, I usually use two products. This pencil is for outlining my brows and setting them in place, and then on top is a darker eyebrow powder to make it last and also to define my eyebrows more. As you can see, I'm not making it look perfect and just doing light feather strokes. What I do to achieve a natural looking brow is I focus on the arch and then slowly fill in the gaps towards the inner and outer areas. That way it gives off an ombre or gradient effect. Next up is to properly curl your lashes, and when I say properly, it means tugging it tight near the base of the lashes. Just leave enough space to not rip them off, and then do the same on the middle and near the tip, and then apply a volumizing mascara, which also helps the curl. Moving on to the cheeks, I'm applying a lip and cheek tint as my base for the blush. Later on, just pat it all over for a natural finish, and then add just a tiny drop of this foundation. This works as a brightener under the eyes. I just couldn't find my foundation, so this will do for this video. Whenever I use a foundation lighter than my skin tone, I use it as brightener or highlighter to bring some areas forward. I apply this mostly on the center of my face. You can add more if you like, but since this is a quick no makeup look, I like it this thin. To set that in place, I'm using a medium to full coverage powder foundation ever so lightly, and then of course contour and or bronzer face using your favorite contour bronzer or powder. You guys know how much I love this bronzer powder combo. Another fail-proof fave is this blush. The reason why I love this is because you can swirl around your brush and it won't fly all over the place, and it instantly gives me that natural flush. Apply this on top of the contour for an added slimming effect. And lastly is to use your favorite MLBB shade, and voila! This is my updated go-to makeup look for everyday and whenever I do Zoom meetings, go to the grocery store, etc. You could definitely customize this look and add more if you want, but to me, I'm more comfortable with letting some of my skin peek through and not aim for a picture perfect face. As promised, a giveaway is included in this video, so if you made it this far, congratulations! You are a few steps away to winning a Neutrogena Deep Clean set. Here are the mechanics. All you have to do is make sure that you are a subscriber to this channel, like this video, and comment down with the hashtag Neutrogena Deep Clean and tag 3 friends in the comment section. The more you tag, the more chances of winning a set of Neutrogena Deep Clean products. For more information, please read the description box, and I hope to talk to you more in the comment section. Also, if you recreate this look, make sure to let me know. I love to see your go-to makeup looks as well. I hope everybody is safe and sound at home. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Bye!